EO Nerve and Shark Tank. My name is Raul Pinero with Innovation.
I'm Matthias Williams with Macbeth Construction.
Innovation manufactures, designs restaurants, hotel kitchens, Latin American and the Caribbean. We also handle the southeastern United States.
Macbeth Construction specializes in retail build-outs in the southeast United States.
We came out with a very unique idea for the product. So, Matthew,
Yes.
what do you think the world needs our product?
The world needs our product because it's revolutionary. It'll change the construction industry. Where construction used to take months and months and months, now we can get it done in days. More money, less time. That's why the world needs our product. Now we know it'll revolutionize the world. But how are you going to specifically apply it to your industry?
Well, that's a great question. In our industries, for example, a contractor would have to build a restaurant. And one of the things that delays the process is the fast speed with a mechanical part of the walls and their permitting and the implementation takes. Just like you said, Matthias, it will save half the time.
It's a good point.
How are you going to apply to yours?
You know, we specialize in retail build-outs. And in retail build-outs, we build a lot of vanilla boxes. And vanilla boxes are basically walls and a bathroom. Our product, where a normal vanilla box would take 60 days, with this product, a vanilla box will now take 5 days. Then, that exact same customer can remove that vanilla box and use it in another space when the client leaves that space. It will revolutionize the way tenants and owners' relationships go.
Are we going to show the product?
We're going to show it in a minute. Now that we've got them so interested.
Okay.
Now that we've covered those bases, what is this product that we're talking about?
All right, Matty. Here's a game plan. All right. We find a product called magnesium oxide. It's just like sheetrock in your home.
Yes.
All right. It's made out of rock and earth. Has no toxins. The bugs don't eat them. It doesn't mold. Is strong, and it comes in sheets. When we apply this product into our system, what we are going to get is we can get a product that is waterproof and is also fireproof. It will not burn.
That's amazing.
So how do we put this into our product?
You know what? Let me show you.
Okay.
I know you just told me that that's magnesium oxide board, but how exactly are you going to make these wall panel systems?
That's another good question. Here's what our proposal is. We are going to take the sheets and we're going to glue them to an insulation system. Okay, that's going to give the strength of our panels.
Is it strong as a normal wall?
Well, it would hold 170 miles wind factor, so it could be an exterior wall if we wanted to. And it would use, in this case, we have a quarter of an inch. When we use the half-inch panel, it's actually we support a second floor.
A whole second floor?
Yes.
Just on the walls that we
Just on the walls. So, you want me to explain to you? You want to explain how you put it together?
You know what? I think I will.
All right, great.
Let me show you. Hand me that sheet over there. Now that we have the system,
Nice.
this is one panel, insulated from this side. This has half-inch magnesium oxide. This is the base. It's simple, 2 pieces of magnesium oxide. Remember, these are waterproof. You can put them on concrete. You place this on concrete, and this will easily slide inside here.
You know that you're using mine. Can you use yours and hand me yours so we can put it on mine?
And you know what? Let me give you another one. Why don't you put it over there? Now, the way these things go together...
Let me see, because I actually have no clue. So we put this over the top of this.
Yes.
And
Slide it in. Now,
so what you're saying is that, let me get this right. We attach the baseboard into our floor.
we tap on it to the floor, yes.
Yes. Okay. That means that we will know our wall layout, what is about to be.
Already engineered wall layout.
Perfect. And then after we have all these strips, you come in without panels.
I come in with the panels. It takes 2 men just minutes to install these panels. What you do, you place them over the board,
How do we glue them together?
put them together, and you know what?
Ah.
We have another smaller piece already made and built. It fits right here in the middle. And then it comes together like that. It takes then normal drywall screws that fit here, and voila, you have a whole wall system. A system that saves you time, money, is energy efficient, it's waterproof, mold-proof, termite-proof. You can't miss it. You know, Raul, now that I look at this together, sure, we have a very unique application system of how to put it on the ground and a unique way to fasten it together, but I've seen things similar to this before. I mean, these are very new products, but there's something similar out there. What makes this unique?
Well, Matthew, there's a couple of elements here, right? One of the elements, anybody can buy a piece of municipal board, anybody can buy a form, and everybody can glue it together. However, the design and the engineering in how this entire system provides structure and how it goes together, how each panel addresses each element and each specific location is on the edges. Not only that, we are going to install the mechanical points within the panels.
What do you mean mechanical points?
We are going to put in the electricals, we're going to put in the plumbing. So when you get this panel, one inspection, you're good to go.
So you're going to provide panels with outlets already in them,
Yes, sir.
switches already in them,
Yes, sir.
plumbing already in them.
Right.
So now I don't need a framer, I don't need a drywaller, I don't need an insulator, I don't really need an expensive plumber, I don't need an expensive electrician,
Yes, sir. That's what
and I have a ready-built store.
and you have a really big store. And not only that, is furthermore is the way that our panels is, you can actually take it apart and move it to your next space.
So you're telling me where I would normally spend another $20,000 demolishing the existing space, instead of demolition, I can use the exact same panels that I've already paid for, put them somewhere else in a different design?
Yeah, or redo your design. Just by each panel has a login number, and we will know what each panel has in it.
So you're going to provide the engineering
That's what this is.
and the design,
And it is.
put the outlets,
Yes, you install.
put the plumber,
You install.
and I'll install it.
And you install.
You know, I think we could sell.
Half-
I think
half
we could
the
sell a
time.
lot of these.
And I have the price.
I think we can sell a lot of these. I don't know about half the price because we're giving them a good deal.
Oh yes, absolutely. One of the things that everybody probably is going to ask is how is our profitability and what is being done now and what we are planning to do in the future and where is the relation between cost and profit. So, Matthew, one of the things that I wanted to ask, can you elaborate a little bit what's going on now?
You know, in general construction right now, to frame it, insulate it, put sheetrock on it, install the plumbing, install the electrical, that runs you about $250 every linear foot. This product that we put together with the fastening systems and all this, it cost us about $100 to install. So we're going to be charging customers $200 per foot.
100%.
100% margins, but the customer is saving $50 a foot.
And half the time in construction. Or
Half
more.
the time or more, better construction, more stable, waterproof system,
Can take it away
mold-proof,
if you wanted to.
recyclable, reusable in different applications. Saving time and money.
Saving also in an AC. So in terms of when we, our goal is not to sell this individual, to sell this as a whole system.
Correct.
So by putting it into a project, not only he saves on the actual cost, he saves on the time, saves on the air condition or the heating cost, and also he can also take it down or remodel his store without really